Hey guys, I'm Brandon with Cycle Gear and we're here to take a look at the Trackside Motorcycle Carrier. Now for those of you out there looking to easily transport your motorcycle and perhaps you don't have a truck or you don't want to pull around a trailer, this is going to be a great option for you. Let's take a closer look and see how the Trackside Motorcycle Carrier can benefit your ride. The Trackside Motorcycle Carrier is going to require a little bit of assembly right out of the box, but it's not something you have to be a licensed mechanic to handle. It's something with a few basic tools you should be able to handle in about 20 minutes or so. Now, one thing I did want to note for you is that you will want to have a Class 3 or Class 4 hitch receiver in order to safely transport your bike. And another thing is it is just under 500 pounds with the load capacity that it can actually handle, so that's something you're going to want to look into a bit further as well. Now, keep in mind, this carrier will ship to you for free, but you also have the added benefit of buying online and shipping to one of our store locations for free, where you can check out this carrier in person with one of our gear experts. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the features and what this carrier is actually providing for you. Now, it consists of a steel construction and it has been powder coated for better longevity, and you can see that we have a tie down point here at the center of the carrier that's going to allow you to have the straps securely fastened to the carrier itself so you can easily and safely transport your motorcycle. Now, you're also going to see we have a fully removable ramp. Nice feature here is that it can actually be utilized on both sides of the carrier, so you can load the bike on either end, which is super handy depending on where you're parking and how you want to load and unload your motorcycle. It's a bit cumbersome to back things off of a ramp, so it's a nice feature to have, and not all carriers do that. Now, you're also going to see in my hand I have an anti-tilt pin. This goes in between the receiver and it helps maintain stability with the carrier when you're driving, and not a lot of carriers out there actually include this pin with it, so it's a nice feature to have. It may seem like a simple item, but it does add a lot of value here in making sure that everything's stable and secure. Now, at the front and the rear of the bike, you're going to see that we have pins here. These are actually adjustable, so you can slide these out and make those adjustments as you need to do so to make sure that the bike is actually seated properly in the carrier. Now, one thing I will note for you as well is that the manufacturer actually recommends that you use 6 points to secure your bike to your carrier, and that's going to make sure that it's properly secured and safely transported. Now, you're going to see one secure strap at the rear tire. You've got two, usually on a dirt bike like this, I'm going to use a swing arm to properly secure the rear end of the bike. You've got two at the handlebars, and you've got one at the front tire as well. And that's going to help you make sure that you're properly securing your bike and safely transporting it accordingly. So there you have it, a motorcycle carrier that's going to work well for a large range of different vehicles, and it's going to make transporting your bike that much easier. But if you're looking for more details, feel free to click the info button on your desktop or mobile device, and that will take you to cyclegear.com. Or you can always head to one of our 130 store locations nationwide and check out this motorcycle carrier in person with one of our experts. Thanks for taking a look at the Trackside Motorcycle Carrier. I'm Brandon. We'll see you just around the corner.